Are you sure you're pronouncing these common English words correctly? Today, I'm going to show you the correct pronunciation of 5 words many English learners say incorrectly. Number 1, develop. Okay? Not develop. No, develop. The stress is on the second syllable. Now let's practice together. Develop. Good. One more time. Develop. Number 2, Wednesday. Wednesday. It's not Wednesday. No, it's Wednesday. The D and ES disappears. So let's practice together. Wednesday. One more time. Wednesday. Good job. Number 3, often. Often. It's not often. Okay? The T is silent. You do not pronounce the T. So it's often. One more time. Often. That's correct. Good job. Number 3. The word is niche. Not niche. One more time. Niche. So this word was borrowed from French. So you say niche. One more time. Niche. So find a niche. Finally, it's chaos. Not chos or chaos. No? Chaos. The CH sounds like K. So it's chaos. One more time. Chaos. Good job. Now, here is a mini challenge. Say this sentence. We often develop new ideas every Wednesday. Comment below which word was difficult. Do you want more pronunciation lessons? Subscribe for more easy English videos.